Wash my hands with bubbly fun, splashing underneath the sun. Rub them gently, nice and clean, the happiest hands you've ever seen. Wash, wash, scrub away, keep the germs far away today. Splash and laugh with bubbles bright, clean and fresh, feels just right. Watch my face so fresh and bright, cheeks that glow with pure delight. Tiny nose and smiling chin, clean outside and clean within. Wash my arms and elbows too, sparkling clean from me to you. Rub them softly, nice and slow, watch the foamy bubbles grow. Wash, wash, sing along, keeping clean all day long. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, being clean is fun and neat. Wash my tummy, wash my back, soap bubbles make a funny stack. Tickle, giggle, laugh out loud, floating bubbles like a cloud. Wash, wash, sing along, keeping clean all day long. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, being clean is fun and neat. Wash my legs from knee to toe, splashing where the bubbles flow. Little feet go scrub, 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 dancing in the bubbly tub. Once with water sparkling clear, fresh and happy, full of cheer. Wrap up in a fluffy towel, smile so bright and never scowl. Comb my hair and dress with care, fresh and clean from everywhere. Healthy habits every day help me laugh and jump and play. Morning, evening, every day, cleaning keeps the germs away. Healthy, happy, shining bright, everything feels clean and right. Wash, wash, hip hooray, let's stay clean every day. Happy hearts and smiling faces, cleanliness brings warm embraces. Good night, little shining star, healthy children near and far. Tomorrow when the sun shines through, we'll wash again, just me and you.